Passive income, that's the goal, right? Affiliate marketing for YouTube is probably one of the easiest and quickest ways to earn passive income. In this video, I'll show you how you could do affiliate marketing on YouTube so you can start earning 1 to 2K per month. So let's get started. Affiliate marketing for YouTube. So before we begin, I want to invite you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Why? Because I have tons of future affiliate marketing related videos in the pipeline. And if you want to be the first to check out those future videos, you definitely want to be a subscriber. And with that said, let's get started with today's video. So affiliate marketing on YouTube, how do you do it? How do you earn passive income? So YouTube is an excellent platform to earn passive income. Okay, so when it comes to affiliate marketing, you can promote basically anything. Okay, you can promote physical products, digital products, services, courses. For me, I'm a marketer. Okay, I do SEO, social media, and with my consulting business, I have a lot of software that I use. So when you do affiliate marketing for YouTube, figure out what you currently use. In my case, I use a lot of marketing software, right? So that's an excellent place to start if you want to do affiliate marketing for YouTube. Okay, so I have hundreds of different softwares, and I can provide you guys with a checklist of vetted softwares that have excellent affiliate programs. If you go to secretmoneymakingtools.com, fill out this form. I'll give you access to this Google spreadsheet that lists out all of my vetted software with the best affiliate programs to make money online, or you could use to grow your business. Okay, so one of my favorite affiliate marketing programs is Jasper. Okay, so they are one of the 3 best AI content tools in my opinion. And I've made quite a bit of passive income just promoting Jasper. Currently, I have close to 1,500 unpaid earnings coming to me within, I think, a week from now. Okay, so every single month, I earn over close to $1,000 every single month, right? And it's all through YouTube. Okay, so how do you do this? So how do you create these affiliate marketing passive income streams? So what you do is first figure out what types of videos you can create. Okay, so think about, you have your software, right? So you have your software. Let's just say you have Jasper. Okay, so what you want to do is figure out what types of YouTube videos to create. Now, one of the easiest videos to create are review videos. Okay, so for example, you can create a video around Jasper review, right? Jasper tutorial. I also like recording videos around Jasper versus copy AI versus so on and so forth, right? So it's something that is very easy to create, and people are searching for these types of topics. So when it comes to software, you want to create review videos, tutorials, comparisons. Those are excellent videos to create, okay? So when you create these videos, always make sure you create an affiliate account, right? You need to create an affiliate account because that's where you get your affiliate link. All right, so if you just go to jasper.ai or any software website, if you scroll all the way down, usually in their footer there is a link that says partner program, affiliate program. In Jasper there is affiliate partners. Okay, so if you go here, you basically apply to become a partner. It's completely free. You just fill out a form. It takes a couple of days for them to review it and approve it. Once you are approved, you'll get access to this dashboard. Okay, so what you want to do is scroll all the way down to where it says share this referral link to your friends and followers. So this is the most important part in your affiliate dashboard. Okay, so this is your affiliate link. All right, so keep that in mind, because when you record your YouTube video, what you want to do is add your affiliate link in the YouTube description. All right, so this is my YouTube channel, right? So as you know, I have tons of software reviews because I love software. I'm a marketing geek. I love using software for my business, for my clients. So it makes sense, right? So for example, Robin Eyes is an SEO software that I created, a couple months ago. Now it's a review, just reviewing the software, right? Going over the dashboard, going over the keyword terms report, inspiration, outlines, SERP, so on and so forth. Okay, so basically reviewing every part of the software. And as you could see in my description, this is built in a very structured, templated way. All right, so always make sure you have your affiliate link at the very top of your YouTube description. Why? Because your YouTube description, the first 3 lines show up and nothing else unless you click on show more. So you want to make sure that your affiliate link is at the very top. All right, so make sure when you copy this affiliate link, add it to your first line of your YouTube description so people have the opportunity to click on your affiliate link. Okay, so get your affiliate link. Link, if I could spell, get your affiliate link, okay? Now, you can also, I highly recommend using bit.ly or Jot URL. I like Jot URL. That's what I use personally. So if you go to Secret Money Making Tools, in this spreadsheet, I have under marketing tools, Jot URL is a URL link shortener. It's similar to bit.ly, but it's 100 times better. If you just click on this link, create your account, you actually get $5 off with this special code. And you can basically shorten your affiliate link so that it looks better and more legible, right? So, for example, this is my short link, kennethfong.co/robineyes, right? So it's cleaner. People kind of trust it more versus a long URL that has different characters, things like that, right? So always shorten your link, okay? Shorten your link and then paste link in YouTube description, okay? Now, other thing you need to know is optimizing your YouTube video. Now, when it comes to optimizing your YouTube video, always focus on the title. Okay, the title, the description, even the comments are very, very important. Okay, so Jasper review, excellent keyword. Jasper tutorial, Jasper, AI versus copy AI, excellent keywords. For example, Robin Eyes review, right? That's the keyword I'm trying to target. I have it at the very beginning of my YouTube title. I have it in my description. And where else? I have it in my comments. So 3 places. You can also include the tags. I have it in the tags as well. So 4 places I add the keyword I want to rank for, okay? Now let's see if I even rank for Robin Eyes review. Let me do a quick search. And let's see here. Unfortunately, okay, I'm right here. Okay, so I'm a few scrolls down, which is, I wish I was higher, but that's okay. It really just depends on the competition. Okay, so make sure you optimize your YouTube videos. So this, in a nutshell, is how you do YouTube affiliate marketing, right? This is how you do affiliate marketing on YouTube. It's very straightforward. There's a lot of steps to it. So I actually created a free checklist that you guys can follow. Okay, so if you go to Affiliate Income Unlocked, you can claim this free checklist where I teach you step by step how to make your first $1 online with affiliate marketing following my free checklist. So my free checklist looks like this. It's built into 5 separate modules where I teach you how to choose your affiliates, create your channel, plan your topics, your videos, creating your videos, publishing your videos. You basically follow all of this. This checklist is completely free. Just go to affiliateincomeunlocked.com, claim your free checklist. Okay, so hopefully you enjoyed this video. Also, I invite you to click this video on the screen if you want me to kind of explain further how to do YouTube affiliate marketing. So click the video on the screen right now to watch that video, and don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel. So with that said, I will see you in the next one.